Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Hustle hat in Roblox. This sleek black cap is a fantastic accessory for your avatar, showcasing your dedication and creative spirit within the game. It's a unique item that adds a touch of cool to any outfit. Getting it is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can proudly wear this hat in no time. Let's dive into how you can claim this awesome item for yourself. Your first step to acquiring the Hustle hat is to join a specific Roblox experience called Island of Move. This game was designed as part of a creative event, and it's where you'll find the mechanism to redeem your free item. Simply search for Island of Move on Roblox and click to play. Make sure you are logged into your account so the hat can be directly added to your inventory once redeemed. After successfully entering the Island of Move game, you'll need to locate the redemption area. Look for a prominent sign that says Get Free Prizes, or find the friendly robot non-player character in the center of the map. Walk up to this area or character and interact with it. A prompt should appear, allowing you to proceed with the code redemption process. This is where the magic happens. Now for the final and most exciting step, redeeming the code. Once you've interacted with the prize sign or robot, choose the Redeem Code option. A text box will appear where you need to enter the specific promo code. Type Strike a pose exactly as shown, then confirm your entry. Congratulations! Your brand new Hustle hat will now be added to your Roblox avatar's inventory, ready to wear.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.